Let's present the subtraction 35 minus 17 as shown below. 35 can be represented as 3 bunches of 10 boxes each and 5 single boxes, that is 3 tens, 5 units. We cannot subtract 7 units from 5 units. Now under tens you have 3 and under units you have 5. Now we will subtract 1 10 7 units from it. We untie one bunch. We will have 2 bunches of 10 boxes each and 15 single boxes. That is 2 tens, 15 units. So cut 3 in tens place and write 2 above it. Also cut 5 in units place and write 15 above it. Done that? Good. If we subtract 7 from 15 units, we will get 8 units. Write it in units place. Now subtract numbers in tens place. Therefore, 2 tens minus 1 10 is equal to 1 10 left with us. Therefore, write 1 10 in tens place. Therefore, 35 minus 17 is equal to 18. Subtract by untying or borrowing or opening out a 10. 1. 40 minus 11. Here we have 4 10 0 units minus 1 10 1 unit. But we can write 4 10 0 unit as 3 10 10 units. Now subtract 1 from 10 units, that is 9 units, and 3 10 minus 1 10 is equal to 2 10. Thus we have 2 tens, 9 units, that is 29. Therefore, 40 minus 11 is equal to 29. 2. 67 minus 29. We have 6 tens, 7 units, minus 2 tens, 9 units. As we cannot subtract 9 units from 7 units, we can write 6 tens, 7 units as 5 tens, 17 units. Now do the subtraction. First subtract 9 units from 17 units. Therefore, 17 minus 9 is equal to 8 units. Write 8 in units place. Now 5 tens minus 2 tens is equal to 3 tens. So write 3 in tens place. Thus we have 3 tens, 8 units, that is 38. Therefore 67 minus 29 is equal to 38. 3. 92 minus 53. Here we have to subtract 5 tens, 3 units from 9 tens, 2 units. As we cannot subtract 3 from 2, we have to untie 1 10. Therefore, 9 tens, 2 units can be written as 8 tens, 12 units. Now, under units place, 12 minus 3 is equal to 9 units. Write 9 in units place. Now, 8 tens minus 5 tens is equal to 3 tens. Therefore, we have 3 tens and 9 units, that is 39. Therefore, 92 minus 53 is equal to 39.